Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a review of the WeBull Desktop application. So when you go over to webull.com, you'll find multiple options. You'll click on trade and that'll lead you to the WeBull desktop version. So on the left, you'll have multiple tabs. Let's go from top to bottom. If you guys are considering using the WeBull brokerage, feel free to use my referral link in the description below. You will get 2 free stocks after you deposit $100 into your brokerage account. You get 1 free stock for just signing up for a WeBull account, and then another free stock once you deposit over $100 into your brokerage account. So the first option on your dashboard is the watch list. Now you could create custom lists. For example, these are my positions. These are companies that I have stocks in. And it'll just give you all the basic information. And here you can see I have a bunch of different lists. This one is just stocks I'm interested in, and then dividends, investings, and my top picks. So I always have it centered to my positions, which I think is a default setting. And on the right, you could just look up any company that you want. So let's, for example, look up Disney. So you see, I just looked up Disney and it bumps you to the second tab, which is just stocks. Here, you'll still see your watch list, also your recently searched. And you could, again, just filter to whatever list that you prefer to see. And on the right, just like the list tab, you'll always have this section here where it'll give you the price of the company and then a bunch of key statistics like the 52-week high, 52-week low, the dividend yield. And for the companies that actually pay dividends, you'll actually see that number along the right-hand side here. You'll see that this company pays out a dividend of 41 cents every quarter. And you could go along these tabs along the right, the main one, the news tab, financials, press release, analysis. So you have a lot of information just on the first 2 tabs regarding the stocks that you want to do research on. So while we're on the second tab of stocks, you could change the interval to whatever you want to see from 1 minute to the year. And you could also do drawings, like if you want to do a trend line, vertical line, and that type of thing. And you could add in the indicators if you just want to see different indicators. For example, you see I just have the one line here. If I click on this, it will just add on different, like your uppers, your lowers. So I don't want to see that. Another thing you could do is you could select your line style. I personally prefer the candle, but you could go through and select the area style, just the line, and it just will be a little bit faded. The hollow candle, baseline, a bunch of different options. So you pick which one is best suited for your style. And right now the markets are closed, but it would show a live feed of what is going on with each in particular stock. You can set it to updating every minute. As you can see, the intervals here are on every minute just because I entered in that setting. You could just click between if you just want to see every 5 minutes, see what's going on, how many people are buying, how many people are selling. So on the next tab is the markets tab. You'll get to see the market for the US, Hong Kong, the global markets, and you could also see crypto markets if that's what you're trying to do. At the time of recording this video, it doesn't look like you could trade crypto, but there's plenty of great brokerages out there that you could trade crypto, so I'm not too concerned. But yeah, this is where you're able to get a lot of information about the different markets. News updated very frequently. I personally don't mess with this tab too much, but it is good to know that it is there. So next tab is the screener tab. So you could go in and customize your own personal screener. I am currently looking at high dividend yield, and you could just go under your screening tabs and click on this and modify, and then you could go in and enter in your own personal criteria of what you would like to see. Like if you're trying to see a bunch of stocks that has the highest percentage change, if you're going in to look at the stocks that has the highest percentage change, the price change, volume, turnover rate, whatever you want to see, you can make your own custom screener and it'll show up here, and then you can just click on it. It's basically like another form of a watch list, but instead of selecting each individual stock, you're looking for a certain criteria that's happening within that particular trade day. So it is very good to know that this is here and very customizable. Next tab is the trade tab. So here you could see your own personal account. Currently, I don't have too much in my WeBull brokerage account just because I'm just starting out. I put $200 into my WeBull brokerage account, was able to get one free stock valued at around $3, and I am still waiting on my second stock. I actually had a forward stock, which is valued at around $8 to $9. It just takes a couple days for the stock to actually enter my portfolio. So my portfolio would be valued at about $214 at the very moment. And this is my buying power currently with the amount of funds that I still have in my WeBull account that I have not have invested in stocks. These are my current positions over here. And here you could look up different stocks. For example, I looked up Disney just to see what was going on, what buy and trade volumes are at different prices. And here you could actually be purchasing stocks. So say if I wanted to purchase Disney stock at $148, I could just enter in like I want to buy 5 of those, and then I could choose to have extended hours. And next thing I had to do is unlock to place my order. What that basically means is I have a PIN that I have to enter every time that I'm trying to purchase a stock, and it'll prompt you with this type of screen right here. So I'm not going to enter in my digit password at the moment because I'm not trying to purchase a stock. But down here it gives you your total of the order that you're currently trying to initiate. So 5 stocks at $148 each totals out to $740. So if I actually wanted to attempt to purchase some Disney stock at this price, the order will only go through during the time frame that I want and at the price I want. So awesome feature. Even on the screen, you get to see the activity of the stock that you're currently looking at. So again, all this information would be live, and then you could increase this screen if you wanted to. For that, I had to move everything down a little bit. So even so, this screen is very customizable. There, I could just have this information sitting here. So I could just look up any stocks I want. So let's look up Best Buy here. And there you go. You have all of the windows changing, and we get to just look at the activity for Best Buy. And you could expand these windows too if you wanted to, if you weren't a huge fan of how the window looked. Make this a little longer if you wanted to. So yeah, your trade window is very customizable. You can move all of these little widgets and extend the widgets however you want to. So have a little fun and mess with that. And the next tab is your account tab. Now, this is where you'll see how many day trades you have, your buying power, and you can see how well you're doing in terms of profit and loss. As you can see, my first day, I only made 6 cents. Next day, loss of 58 cents, loss of 62 cents, made back 50 cents, loss, profit, profit. So it's telling me I'm currently up 43 cents, but as I mentioned earlier, I deposited $200. So for me, I'm currently up $5 just because I did get that one free stock. As of right now, I'm just waiting for the second stock to actually fall into my portfolio. So you could also see your positions here. You can see what you bought your stock at and what the current price is, and it will tell you how much profit you made. Right now, I made $1.59 from my AEP stock. I'm currently plus 51 on Exxon, plus 2 cents on PPL, losing 30 cents currently on this stock, and losing 28 cents on the stock that I got for free. And then you can see your order history under this tab up here, and your profit and loss, just showing you exactly what everything looks like. I'm a huge fan of how everything is laid out, and as always, you can have the little symbol / name search option at the top, which will link you back to your stocks tab. So I really like how clean this looks and how much information is available to you just for each individual tab. And then you could go under paper trading, where this is just trading with all fake money. So anything that you purchase with this tab is just, you just pretending and just having fun. If you want to experiment a little bit with this app, you can feel free to head over to this section. And as you can see in this portfolio, I have over $1 million. So clearly this is not true, as much as I wish it was true. But even here, you have your little feedback tab and your settings tab. You get to modify how you want to see everything. If you have any questions about the WeBull Desktop application, let me know in the comment section below. So that, in a nutshell, is the WeBull Desktop app. So again, a referral link will be in the description below. If you sign up and deposit over $100, you get 2 free stocks. 1 free stock for opening the account, 2nd free stock for a deposit of $100 or more. If this video helped you out, feel free to leave a like. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.